Check out this is 2010 Ford Focus SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include rear legroom, 36.1, strut front suspension, in-dash single CD player, metal look dash trim, metal look center console trim, remote power door locks, bucket front seats, and Series AM/FM satellite radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.